My name is Justincredible. Growing up, I was always a loud, energetic, smart-mouthed kid bouncing off the walls. My family found me very entertaining, but felt like I was smart enough to channel my misbehavior in school into something more productive. In elementary and middle school, I was introduced to all different types of music genres. In high school, I started journaling and writing poetry. Life, girls, breakups, my parents getting on my nerves, the usual stuff. I let a teacher and a few other students check it out. They thought it wasn't that bad. One summer, a friend of mine took me to a garage studio to record with the rap group. I was really nervous. I tried it out and got some good feedback on my energy. I took that compliment and began studying and analyzing great artists, and I kept working in the studio on this new craft. After college, I joined a poetry troupe and a rap movement. I've traveled around the country to perform. I've recorded multiple projects, collaborated with many different organizations, and made some pretty good side money. I feel like I'm just getting started. Welcome to Greatness Behind the Scenes.